Hey guys, my name's Doug with Infotainment.com and Infotainment.ca. I'm the CEO and founder of the company. Today we're doing a live product showcase. We're going to show you guys all the different products that we carry, including some of our new products. A little bit about us. We do factory parts for automobiles, specifically your domestic vehicles, which include Ram, Jeep, Dodge, the GM vehicles, Ford vehicles, and then now we do Toyota, Nissan, and Mazda. So we do all factory OEM parts. We also make it easy to install. All of our parts and products can be installed in the comfort of your own home or your garage. Do it yourself. No wire cutting or splicing. If it requires wire cutting, we'll develop a harness so everything is 100% plug and play. On top of that, everything is pre-programmed. So you don't need to go to your local dealer. You won't need to go anywhere. You'll have the product delivered right to your house, pre-programmed for a plug and play installation. It comes with a full warranty as well. So all of our parts carry a warranty, 90-day warranty, 30-day money back. We have an awesome tech support team here at Infotainment.com. If you have any questions along the way, we have a team of people to help you and guide you through that install process or troubleshooting. We are located here in the USA, specifically Northeast Orlando in a small town called Oviedo, Florida. We also have a distribution center in Dallas, a wholesale sales office in Jacksonville, and as I mentioned, Infotainment.ca, our newest venture located in Toronto, Canada. We do also have a compatibility guarantee, kind of goes hand in hand with the whole DIY and pre-programming feature where you give us your VIN number of your vehicle. We'll make sure that if you ordered something, we'll make sure that it'll fit before we ship it out. So that's part of our compatibility guarantee. Several different ways you can reach out to us or find more information on us. Obviously, our website, Infotainment.com in the USA, Infotainment.ca for Canada. We also do, we have a great YouTube channel. We have DIY videos that show you how to install most of our products. And then we do also spotlights, product spotlights, give you a little bit more information on the parts that we carry. We also have an Instagram account. Be sure to check that out. Twitter, Facebook. Our Facebook, we update daily, so keep an eye on that. We also have a website blog. So go on to our website. Check out our blog. We do update that frequently as well. And last but not least, we have a podcast. So sometimes we'll talk about infotainment related stuff. Sometimes we just talk about automobiles in general. So be sure to check out our Infotainment.com podcast. So today I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about all the different parts and upgrades that we carry. All right, guys, we're back. So we just talked about Dodge and Jeep. Now we're going to talk about GM, and we'll roll into some of our import vehicles, and then we'll wrap things up. So General Motors, again, just like all of our other vehicles, we really started taking a hold of the GPS navigations starting in 2007. So in 07 and up, 07 to 13 really are your legacy GPS navigation upgrades. We do still offer those. The new body Silverado at that point started in 2014, as well as the Sierra. We started offering all sorts of awesome upgrades, not only GPS navigation, but we started offering Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That's one of our most popular upgrades for the General Motors vehicles. 2014 to 2016, you can upgrade from your base model radio to one that has built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Furthermore, you do have the option for those with or without embedded GPS navigation. So we do give you a variety of options to kind of fit your budget. So when you come to our website, you can kind of select the things that you want or don't want to save you a little bit of money. So that's kind of working, the 2014 to 2016 era. Going up further than that, we do offer the GPS navigation upgrades, as I mentioned, the IO6. So if you have an 8-inch display, IO5 option code, you can go to an IO6 option code, which includes built-in GPS navigation. Awesome upgrade. Another, and it's not very exciting behind me. A lot of it's kind of just modules and boxes. I do want to just show you guys. With the 14 to 16 Silverados and Sierras, we do offer upgraded clusters. So you can upgrade to the High Country or the Denali cluster in your truck. Plug and play, pre-programmed for your vehicle, plug it in and that's it. You don't need to do anything else. We'll take all the data from you in the beginning and we'll make it super easy. Backup camera kits, I have to mention that. Very, very popular upgrade. Those of you who have a 2014 to 2018 GM truck, you can install our plug and play backup camera. It's an awesome upgrade that we carry at infotainment.com. Simply plug it in with the molded connector, the factory part, plug it in, and then run the OBD Genie programmer in the OBD2 port, and it activates the feature on your radio display. Great safety feature, very easy to install. Again, we pride ourselves on making installation super easy and a do-it-yourself platform. Moving on from that, we do in the new body Silverados, that includes 2019 and up, we do offer factory satellite radio upgrades, not just for GM, but again, Ram, Jeep, Dodge, Fords. If you want to add satellite radio to your vehicle, not some emulator you plug into your USB port or your aux, or you have something on your windshield, we're using factory parts, add satellite radio to your truck. This is a very popular upgrade. 2019 and up, Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. It's the IOR option code. GM, as well as FCA and Ford, they're starting to do away with satellite radio. However, there's a lot of people that still like satellite radio right there in your truck. When you get in, you press the button, you're listening to satellite radio. So we have a full satellite radio upgrade using a factory satellite radio shark fin antenna. We have an installation video, shows you how to do it. Very popular upgrade for those of you who want to add it. Something we've just released just this year is our rear view camera mirror. So this is something that's new to GM. They're doing it in a lot of their vehicles where your rear view mirror actually shows what's going on behind the vehicle. So instead of looking through your vehicle's traditional mirror, you have the blocks, the obstructions of the headrests and stuff like that. Then you're looking through your back windshield. This gives you a great look of the exterior of the vehicle uninterrupted using a full digital camera. So we figured out how to add that to the GM vehicles. So be sure to look that up if that's something you're interested in. Again, the clusters, this happens to be a High Country or a Denali cluster rather. Those of you who have the base model Silverados or Sierras, and not even base model, a lot of the LTs, you have a lot of options and upgrades for even the LTs. So if you want to upgrade to the digital cluster, come take a look. Again, for the new bodies, changes the look and feel of the truck completely, having that upgraded full digital cluster in your vehicle. How about GPS navigation or HD radio? If you have the 2019 and up GM vehicle and you just want to add GPS navigation, we offer a plug and play kit to allow you to upgrade very, very easily. We have a lot of information on that. It's been a very successful product at infotainment.com. That's pretty much it for GM. Again, just like all the other vehicles, we're constantly adding new things, some things for GM specifically. The IOR option code. Now I'm using a lot of words, IOR, IOU, stuff like that. If you can look up these option codes in your late model GM vehicle. If you turn your smartphone onto the camera mode and you hover over that little QR code on your VIN sticker on your driver door or driver door pillar, it'll tell you what option code infotainment system you have, which allows you to then look up the different options you have as far as upgrades. So we are in the process of developing a kit. If you want to go from the IOR option code to the IOU option code, which GM considers their premium system, it has built-in GPS navigation, HD radio, and it also uses a digital backup camera. So those of you who want a nice, clean digital backup camera image on your radio display, this would be a great option to do that as well. Other little annoying things that drivers are experiencing and have been asking for us to develop: auto start stop disabler. So when you get in your vehicle, you stop at a red light, you're noticing the truck shuts off. Super annoying, especially on those hot days or even cool days. You want to disable that, at least temporarily. We are going to offer really cool plug and play kits where you can install it to disable that feature so your vehicle doesn't always stop when you come to a stoplight. That's not just GM, guys. That's also Ford, FCA, so on and so forth. So those are all things that are coming out here real soon. The Silverado and Sierra, most of them don't have fog lights. In the lower trim levels, we're going to have a kit specifically for those folks who want to add fog lights. That might be something we're going to look into with the new body Tahoe and Yukon as well. So keep an eye out for that, as well as remote start. So we get a lot of requests from people that want to add remote start to their vehicle using factory parts. They don't want an aftermarket key fob and stuff like that. They want a factory key fob, factory remote start. That's all stuff that we're pushing for in early 2021. Those are just a few things. Check out our website. Look at all the different things we offer. Again, if you guys were here earlier, I was talking about plug and play amplifiers for your speakers, plug and play mono amplifier for a factory subwoofer. That's going to be something that's going to be a reality here real soon with General Motors as well. I do want to just wrap up on GM and move just briefly into Toyota, Nissan, and Mazda. Toyota, we've been offering Toyota kits, plug and play. We developed the harnessing, we developed the programming. We've been offering those for about 2 years now. If you have a Toyota that you just want to add GPS navigation to, we got your back. We offer full plug and play upgrades for the Toyotas. If you want to add CarPlay to your Toyota, our most successful by far Toyota upgrade as far as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is concerned is the Tacoma. Great upgrade, easy to install, plug and play wiring, all developed by Infotainment.com. It's a great upgrade. We've been getting a lot of requests for the 4Runner, and we've been getting a lot of requests for the Tundra. Those are things we are actively working on, and hopefully we're going to have stock available for you guys because the harnessing's done. We already have the harnessing. It's just a matter of obtaining the units themselves to give you 4Runner and Tacoma, or rather Tundra customers, an option to go to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dovetailing into Nissan, we offer Nissan GPS upgrades. If you're driving a late model Nissan 2013 and up, and you just want to add GPS navigation, we can help. We've been offering those for about a year or two now. Great results, very easy to install upgrades. We just recently released the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto upgrade for the Altima, the Maxima, so on and so forth. And we're just going to continue adding to that list. I'm also going to talk just briefly going into Mazda. This is just a couple weeks old, guys. We can now offer Mazda CarPlay upgrades and many of the SUVs and sedans just by offering a replacement media hub, USB media hub, 2 wires, and a software update. You don't need to replace the whole unit itself to get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have a full video that shows you how to do it. It takes about 30, 45 minutes. Super, super easy to do for the Mazda vehicles. We're always looking into more and more things. We got a team of 38 people now. We're very excited here at Infotainment. We got a team of 38 people. We're hiring more and more people to look up how to do things in other vehicles. Soon we're looking into Honda and Infiniti and stuff like that, Lexus. So those are things we're actively working on for the year of 2021. Before I let you guys go, a couple more things I want to throw out there. We do have an infotainment service department now. So many of you know or have heard of Nav Repair. That was a sister company of ours. It was running navrepair.com. We now brought that into the infotainment umbrella so we can handle all the service. We service everything we sell. We're not going to sell you something and just say, yeah, go figure it out on your own. We service everything. So maybe you have a radio or a cluster or something that has a broken screen or it's shattered or you're just not turning on. We service all of this stuff through our infotainment service department. So look into that if you have any problems at all with even your factory installed electronic equipment. Look into that. I did mention several times in this video about OBD Genie, great company, sister company of ours. OBD Genie offers programmers to enable things that you didn't even know you can enable in your vehicle. And we have some really smart engineers in that company that are constantly coming up with more and more things. Reach out to OBD Genie if you have an idea. You want to turn something on, you want to turn something off. Reach out to OBD Genie because they are creating more and more programmers each week and offering that to our customers and theirs. So last thing I want to say is thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. We greatly appreciate it. We are running a big Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale this weekend. So go to our website for more information on that and take advantage of those specials. Again, thank you for watching, and thank you on behalf of all the infotainment family for watching today.